Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is my dog Honey Girl. And these are her absolute favorite treats. So these are from Blue Buffalo. These are Wilderness Trail treats. They're the grain-free turkey recipe biscuits. I love them because they're the perfect size for giving her a treat. I like the crunchy texture on them. I feel like that's really good for her teeth. But even more than that, I appreciate the fact that they don't have any meat byproducts in them, corn, wheat, or soy. And they have no artificial flavors or preservatives. So I'm giving her a treat to reward her, but I'm not worried about what's in the treat. So that gives me peace of mind. Plus, Honey absolutely loves these treats. They come in a conveniently sealable bag. As you can see, she's very interested in them. She loves the way they smell and she loves the way they taste. Right, Honey Girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Good girl, Honey. So if you're looking for a well-made treat with ingredients that you can feel confident about, that are going to not only reward your dog, but also give them something that is well-made and has ingredients that you can feel comfortable with, then I highly recommend these treats from Blue Buffalo. They are an absolute staple in our family. Honey loves them, and so whenever I open the bag, she comes running. So I know she's happy with them, and I'm also happy with them as well. And that is my point of view.